Deye residential energy storage batteries offer versatile expansion for home energy needs. This video covers the unboxing and installation of the RW-F10.6. Please review this statement carefully before installing energy storage products. Unboxing inspection. The RW-F10.6 consists of the following components. The installed low-wattage inverter includes the following parts. Required tools for installation. Recommended safety gear during installation. RW-F10.6 installation. The RW-F10.6 measures 600 by 750 by 200 millimeters with weighs 99 kilograms. Here are the interfaces of the RW-F10.6. The RW-F10.6 is easy to operate and can be wall-mounted or floor-installed, maximizing space efficiency. Choose a vertical wall with load-bearing capacity for installation, such as in a warehouse or basement. Keep flammable and explosive materials away and avoid direct sunlight. Now, let's detail the wall and floor installation process. Temporarily fix the mounting board at least 400 millimeters above the ground. After fixing, place stickers on the right side and above the bracket to mark the drilling positions. Use a drill to make 4 holes at the marked positions with a depth of 100 to 110 millimeters. Tap in the expansion screws, then screw in the M6 100 bolts. Attach the 2 back panels to the battery with 8 M6 stainless steel screws. Then push the battery up to the wall bracket and tighten the expansion bolts. Make sure the battery hooks are secured on the mounting board. That's the wall mounting done. For floor mounting, attach the 2 brackets to the battery sides with 4 M6 stainless steel screws. Place the battery against the wall and mark the mounting hole positions. Drill 2 holes in the wall with a depth of 100 to 110 millimeters. Tap in the expansion bolts to secure the battery. Adjust the side screws to ensure the battery is vertical. Inverter installation. RW-F10.6 works with various low-voltage inverters and offers excellent expansion. Here are the interfaces of the low-voltage inverters. Leave at least 500 millimeters around the low-voltage inverter during installation. Ensure at least 1,000 millimeters of clear space in front for heat dissipation. Temporarily fix the mounting board to the wall and mark the holes. Then, drill 4 holes 82 to 90 millimeters deep. Insert the expansion bolts and install the inverter. Battery and inverter connection. Before wiring, ensure the battery is powered off. Connect the power cable to the battery's positive and negative terminals, ensuring correct polarity. Open the inverter's bottom cover. Connect the other end of the power cable to the inverter's positive and negative terminals and ensure correct polarity. Prepare a standard RJ45 cable and connect one end to the battery's PCS communication port. Connect the other end to the BMS port on the inverter. After checking all connections, turn on the battery's air switch and main switch. Then check the communication status on the inverter display. Please note, the battery's maximum current is 350 amperes and the inverter power must not exceed 18 kilowatts. The table below shows the RW-F10.6's parallel support for various inverter models and the number of battery packs for 1 to 4 hour applications. Connect the power cable to the positive terminal of the first battery and the positive terminal of the next battery. Repeat for the negative terminals. Additionally, connect the RJ45 cable to one of the battery's communication ports. The other port is for communication between batteries. If the inverter power exceeds 18 kilowatts, install in parallel mode, supporting up to 16 inverters. Product activation. Installation complete. Please check that all circuits are connected correctly. Press the inverter's power button to turn on the indicator lights and screen. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access system settings. Connect your phone to the device's Wi-Fi, download Deye Cloud, and monitor operation and electricity costs anytime. This completes the unboxing and installation of RW-F10.6. Deye Residential Energy Storage Battery Series delivers efficient storage, smart management, and lower electricity bills. Deye ESS, to make ESS better.